2.5 means 2 bedroom and the study. There are only 4 models, and the cost is upwards of 27 lakhs. And there are certain deposits which are refundable. Some you have income generating. For example, we take 1.5 lakhs as your emergency deposit for your medical in case of a hospital. But since you're not going to be in the hospital every day and the money is lying in the bank, whatever is the interest rate that we get for the deposit, less 1%, we reduce it from your maintenance cost. You have to pay for your maintenance, you have to pay for the food, you have to pay for the electricity of your house, you have to pay for the, like any other normal house that you have to live, you have to pay. But one thing I can tell you is what you pay is much lower than what my wife takes to run the house. In Coimbatore, for a couple where they eat only vegetarian food, because in South India, the number of people eating non-vegetarian is much less than in the other parts of India. Of course, if you go to Kerala, they eat, there are many non-vegetarians, but normally in Tamil Nadu, there are not so many non-vegetarians. So the vegetarian food, which is excellent, the menu is selected by the residents, it's about 4,500 rupees per month per individual. So for husband and wife, it comes to about 9,000 rupees. It includes all meals and your morning and evening coffee, tea, whatever you want. And your maintenance cost, that is all labor that you have, right from nurse, your ambulance driver, your manager, your cooks, your waiters, your plumber. For 130 units dwelling, we have about 70 people working. That is almost, it is 2 people per house on an average. Because there is a kind of people that we need to take care of, the elders. In Coimbatore today, they pay for a single bedroom. Sorry, we don't have a single bedroom. Let's say 2 bedroom. They pay about 7,000 rupees per month maintenance cost. So we take the food cost as 9,000, it comes to 16,000. Your electricity and water may come up to 4,000 because in Coimbatore they want even the RO water for taking bath. क्योंकि हमारे young ladies जो हैं, they say कि उनके बाल गिर जाते हैं if you use the normal water. So ये जो पानी है, which you buy, the same RO water we give them for taking bath also. So with that, we charge only 7 paise per liter, which is a production cost. And it comes to another 4,000, 20,000 rupees. You want to go out, see movies, buy some medicines or whatever you need. My own feeling is up to 25,000 rupees if you have, the husband and wife can live comfortably. But today, my wife is not able to run the house for 2 hours for 25,000 rupees. It's definitely much more than that. And I can't even ask her that question. So this is the kind of a costing. Pune mein, we don't know how much it will cost. Maybe slightly more because it is a much bigger city than Coimbatore. And the labor cost may be higher. So, but I don't expect it to go too much. It may be maximum under about 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. If you have, you should be able to survive. And travel, of course, is your own extra money, but that is what you'll be paying outside also. So this is the life, and medical bills you'll have to pay, and we will provide the assistance, and we will not leave anybody in the hospital because there is no money, because you paid only 1.5 lakh as a deposit, and let us say the operation cost me 3 lakh rupees. It doesn't mean that we will not will tell the doctor there is no money. No, we will pay, and your family will reimburse it to us later on. आज तक 12 साल में मेरे को 1 पैसा I never lost because of emergency care. My children have come and paid. अगर बच्चे नहीं हैं तो somebody else has come and cleared the bill to the hospital, which we pay off first. Because for us it is to save life, and bills can be sorted out later. We also give you advice on how to manage your wealth, especially as we grow, to take care of your post-retirement life. So we have a company which comes and gives you that kind of a assistance. Truly speaking, I will stop it here. You can ask me questions. जो कुछ आपको जिंदगी में चाहिए वो आपको मिलेगा. It is services for which you will have to pay. At the same time, there is a comfort level that I will be taken care of in an emergency. More importantly, I will enjoy my post-retired life. मैं कमरे में बैठ के I will not be watching only television. I've got much better things to do in life, and I would like to pursue my hobbies. You can go on picnics, you can go out. My people living in Coimbatore can come to Pune. Pune people can go to Coimbatore and stay there and see other places, and these people can go to nearby places here and see. So that is the kind of a life that we have to lead as we age, and that's what I want to. That gives us the maximum happiness. So this is in short the active life concept of Little Earth Kovai Retirement Community, which is coming up here. The launch is on Saturday, 27th and 28th at that place. I will be giving presentation there and talking and answering to all the queries. And I will now request Mr. Nitin Kulkarni to come and tell you about the project Masurkar City of Little Earth, and so that you understand from him as to what is it that he is going to create in that a beautiful township of which we are only a small part, and how both these things are going to blend and make life enjoyable as much as we can make it enjoyable. Thank you, and I'll take any questions after Mr. Kulkarni.